The crypto market is now entering into the bull run, and it is now being confirmed that we are most likely about to head up really, really high. The market, if you just take a look from the bottom, literally not too long ago, all the way to where we are currently at, Ethereum has made a 50% gain. That is not even talking about some of the other cryptocurrencies. Look at this, Shiba Inu. Look at how bullish Shiba Inu looks. But look at this, guys. Look at this. Shiba Inu from the top to the bottom is up 109%. This is getting crazy. And I personally think that we are now entering back into the bull run, that the market is going to be taking off like we've never seen before. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these absolutely time-sensitive videos where we call out huge plays way before they happen. And if you want to get access to the most profitable crypto trading community in the world, go ahead and join the Patreon where we do trade alerts, where you are able to make incredible entries in super low areas and make huge gains, knowing when to sell, knowing when to buy. And the Patreon put constant alerts out and updates to let you guys know what is happening at all times, so you don't have to be looking on your phone, the internet, for all types of misinformation. You get it right from the source on Patreon. I also have a crypto trading course you should check out. Follow all of my socials. Check out the links in my video description, guys. It can really help you make a lot of money in crypto. And make sure you do not forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $3,500. All you have to do is create an account with my link below and deposit 1 penny. So let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. And if you love cryptocurrencies, if you love Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Ethereum, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how much of you love crypto out there by showing me your support and hitting the thumbs up. So what we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is the market is just up like crazy. We go to CoinMarketCap. We want to take a look at the 7-day percentages, the 7-day gains. And what we are seeing is Bitcoin, obviously 20%, a very good thing. Ethereum, 20%. Ethereum is very closely moving with Bitcoin, but we are outpacing Bitcoin today about 4%. And if we continue to go down the line, a lot of cryptocurrencies are up 15%, 20%, but some really good cryptocurrencies are up 40%, 50%, and above. Some of the best gaining cryptos right now is Shiba Inu and XRP, which we did put into the Patreon literally days ago and even weeks ago while the market was very cheap to buy at those levels. So if you had bought any of these alerts, even on the bottom, you would be in significant profits from those buys there in the bottom of the crypto market. Now, what's happening in the crypto market is very good. It's very, very bullish. And in this video, I'm going to be taking a deep dive into showing you where we are headed next and what is most likely about to happen. So first and foremost, before we dive into technical analysis, before I actually show you where we are headed versus just saying, hey, it's green, I'm going to go over some awesome information. Look at this. There's just a lot of bullish information out there. Tennessee lawmaker introduces bill which would allow state to invest in crypto. The 2 bills introduced on February 2nd propose allowing the state of Tennessee as well as its counties and municipalities to invest in crypto. That's huge. As well as forming a committee aimed at studying crypto and blockchain. That is just absolutely amazing. So we not only have countries getting involved in cryptocurrency, but we have states, and states are coming up left and right to be involved in cryptocurrency, where governors, mayors, people are receiving their paycheck. Even NFL stars, NFL players, they are receiving their paycheck in cryptocurrency. And we know that cryptocurrencies are new. They're just really getting started. People are just beginning to find out about them. And the prices of cryptocurrency right now are super cheap compared to where they will be in the future. I mean, just look at this. This is Bitcoin, guys. Look at this. This is Bitcoin. And we are right here, guys. We are right in this little dot. Bitcoin has come up here and here for the all-time high, about $70,000. And I believe that we are going to be headed way above that this year, especially as we are seeing the growth. We are seeing these people left and right come into the space. Give me a thumbs up if you believe cryptocurrencies are the future. And let me know in the comments which cryptocurrency you believe is the most guaranteed to stay for the long run in the future. Let me know what you guys think. I personally think Ethereum, Shiba Inu, those are really good ones. Dogecoin, Bitcoin. But let's go ahead and actually show you what's going to most likely happen in the crypto market. And for us to understand very well what's actually going to be happening in the crypto market, we need to take a look at Bitcoin primarily and Ethereum. So what has transpired, ladies and gentlemen, and what we are seeing is a bunch of signs of recovery, which I have showed you for the last several weeks. Remember, I said, guys, we are appearing to recover and we are building some support structure structure, recovery structure, which actually ended up playing out. And that is a very, very good sign to see. So not only are we beginning to recover and break resistance levels all the way over here, but we are actually starting to form some very bullish patterns. One we are seeing is this cup and handle, and it is playing out right now. So primarily what we like to do is a cup and handle can be angled, of course, but we want to be taking a look at the previous resistance levels on the left, which we are now breaking and we are surpassing right now. And when you break previous resistance levels, what it actually does, it triggers buys from whales and from people all around the world to jump in, to ape in, because whenever resistance levels that are historical, that have kept us down and resisted the price action for quite some time, whenever those resistance levels are meeting and broken, it usually causes a lot of people to FOMO in to buy, and it causes huge pumps. So what is very likely with this cup and handle formation, and we can measure from the top of it to the bottom, that can generally signify and show us the next move in the crypto market, at least in this immediate short time frame or this small range. So what I primarily like to do is I take the length of the cup and handle and I like to put it into the breakout area, which was the previous resistance level, which we could even say is here, and we can even move down. We can move this down, give or take. And what that actually means for us is the next move, most likely for Bitcoin, is going to be potentially around $53,000 to $54,000. Even maybe higher than that. And that's going to take us close to that next previous resistance level, which was even way up there. So the next huge resistance level for cryptos and for the Bitcoin price is around $57,000. So ladies and gentlemen, if you see us continue to break out past this, if we continue to break past $57,000, there are going to be some huge things in store for us in the future. And that means we are going to be approaching to attack this all-time high previously at $69,000. So that's pretty much what is happening into the charts, but I'm going to be showing you even more right now, so continue to watch. So if Bitcoin continues to be bullish and to break these patterns, to break these resistance levels like we are saying, we know that Bitcoin is the slowest performing cryptocurrency. And let me show you this. Let me prove this to you guys. So what we do is we go take a look at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin is a slow moving cryptocurrency. It's one of the biggest, well, it is the biggest cryptocurrency. And when there is a market cap so big, when there's so much money in it, it takes a lot more money to move that money percentage wise. So what actually happens is when Bitcoin goes up 20%, you will see a lot of other cryptocurrencies outperform Bitcoin most of the time, like XRP. Look at that. You have Avalanche. There's other ones like Shiba Inu. Look at this, guys. A lot of cryptocurrencies are outperforming Bitcoin because Bitcoin is the slowest and most conservative crypto, and when there's other cryptocurrencies that are smaller and the market is very bullish, those smaller cryptocurrencies tend to outperform to a big degree Bitcoin, as we are seeing the performance of XRP, Shiba Inu outperforming Bitcoin by 2 or 3 times already in just the recovery phase. So that's why I like to show you the Bitcoin price, but let's go ahead and dive in even further. So what this actually means, and if we take a deep dive, a further deep dive into the price action of the whole crypto market, what we can actually see, and what I want to show you, is that we are in a perfect uptrend. The uptrend had started ever since this recovery bottom. The bottom triggered the uptrend where now we are having higher highs. The highs are getting higher and higher lows. Here's the lows are continuing to get higher. So that's what we want to pay attention for. And the price action will continue in this uptrend until the uptrend is broken. And the uptrend is generally broken by a top. And a top and the downtrend, a reversal of an uptrend to the downtrend can be confirmed where you see a top. And generally what will start to happen is it continues to go down and it will break the support levels. And once it starts breaking the support levels, we're having lower lows and lower highs, then the downtrend is confirmed. And that's generally when you want to be exiting the market, and you want to exit the market until you can see a bottom being made. As we can see down here, we saw this is a downtrend. We were in the downtrend for the longest time. Look at this, very clear downtrend, right? So what you want to do is when you want to buy is, of course, you can dollar cost average and buy all these dips all the way down. But what I personally do and what I help you guys to do in my Patreon is to look for the bottoms for you and to show you when these are and to announce when to buy and sell in those areas. But what we want to do is once we find a bottom from a previous downtrend, we want to look for that uptrend starting. So we had the low, then we had a high, and then look, after some time, we start to get confirmation of the higher highs and higher lows. So that's generally when we want to enter into the market. So as we are seeing a perfect uptrend happening in the market, that the market is going to continue to be very bullish and things are about to get crazy, guys. So make sure you join the Patreon. We have new coins coming out where you can get in. It's a fair launch. Before the coin comes out, you can get the token address if you just join the Patreon. There's so much happening, guys. You cannot miss it. I will see you all later.